Following the blackout in the northeastern United States in August of 2003, the federal government put in place a number of statutes, regulations, and standards that would impact the electric industry and ensure that they had policies and procedures in place that would ensure the reliability of the electric grid. Along with putting those standards in place, the government also created a number of enforcement agencies. And in the southeastern United States, that enforcement agency is CERC, or the Southeastern Electric Reliability Council. There's a number of ways in which CERC can regulate and enforce the statutes that the federal government has put in place. One of the main ways is that they come into entities within the electric industry and perform audits. Those audits involve a very in-depth look at how you operate and the policies and procedures that you have with regards to how you do your electric system. For example, if CERC wants to come in and take a look at how we do maintenance on our large transformers, PWC will have to produce for them our written policies and procedures related to those inspections, as well as proof that we follow those procedures, as well as the records of those actual inspections and the results of them. CERC also has responsibility of monitoring the general industry, and they'll be taking a look at how we operate on a day-to-day basis as far as we have to self-report if we know that we have violated any of the statutes. So we have to provide them documentation to say we did not inspect this certain piece of equipment within the allowable time frame, and we self-report. CERC then takes a look at what we did not do, and they have the right to come in then and make sure that we have changed our policies and procedures so in the future we will not do another violation. And they also have the right to do fines. And in certain cases where they have found egregious violations, they have fined utilities millions of dollars. Well, CERC came into PWC and they wanted to take a look at primarily our high voltage system. But that included taking a look at our substations, our maintenance procedures, our inspection procedures, as well as our vegetation management and tree trimming. In addition to taking a look at our written policies and procedures, they do perform interviews with different staff at PWC to make sure that we're compliant as well. CERC interviewed at least 10 people from PWC to make sure that we were compliant. In addition to just performing the audit, CERC will share some best practices of what other utilities do, so PWC can continuously improve our operation and improve our reliability and safety to the public. PWC was found to be 100% compliant with all of the statutes, regulations, and requirements that the federal government has. PWC prides itself on its focus on reliability and safety, so we thought that we would do well. But when you have somebody coming in and taking a look at literally thousands of documents, you never know what they might be able to find. So we were pleasantly surprised. And in fact, we're among a minority of utilities in the United States that were found to be 100% compliant. Because we were found to be 100% compliant, PWC will not have to have another audit of this magnitude for another 6 years. What this means to our customers is that PWC is among the best utilities in the United States, and we have met the highest standards in the land, and that we are putting in place the policies and procedures that will help keep the lights on for our customers.